Assalamualaikum. Good morning, class. So today, teacher want to teach you how to write the words for app sound and add an app sound. Do you remember? Do you remember what we learned? We already learned app, and add sounds, right? So today, teacher want to teach you how to write the words. Okay, first, let's read this together. Okay. A cap on my lap. A cap on my lap. Very good. There's a cap and lap. Okay. A cap on my lap. Okay, next. A sad man in a cap. A sad man in a cap. Very good. So today, teacher want to teach you how to write the words. Okay, teacher want you to take the exercise book. Okay, write day and date. Okay, today is Friday. Okay, write Friday. Friday. Okay, and date. Okay, date 27 August 2021. Okay, you can write. Okay, now. Okay, you know what picture is this? Okay, this is cap. Okay, this is cap. Cap. A cap on my lap. Okay, this is his leg and this is his lap. Okay, we read this together. A cap on my lap. A cap on my lap. Okay, teacher teach you how to write the words. Okay, small a at the blue line. Then cap, C A at blue line. And then small p from blue line until red line down. Cap. And then blue line for on. My, also at the blue line. For letter Y, go down at red line. Lap. You can do it? Yes, you can do it. Very good. Okay, one more time again. A cap on my lap. And then full stop. Can do it? Yes, very good. You can do it. Okay, let's read this one more time again. A cap on my lap. A cap on my lap. Very good. See? A cap on my lap. Okay, you may color the picture. Okay, you may color the cap, the lap. Okay, the boys. Okay, you may color the picture. Okay, color. Okay, if you don't want to color, never mind. Okay, but if you color, it will be pretty and beautiful. Okay, now next, teacher give an example. Okay, next, for picture number 2. Okay, same. Write day and date. Day and date. Friday 27 August. Okay, 2021. Okay, for number 2. Okay, you see, what is this? Who know what is this? Who know what is this? Yes, very good. Cap. We call cap. Okay, taxi. Okay, we read this together. A sad man in a cap. A sad man in a cap. They have a sad man in a cap. Into the dalam. Okay, now. Okay, for small a at blue line. A sad cap. Small s and small a at blue line. Sorry. And then small d also at blue line. Okay. Do like number 1 from up to down. Man. M A N. Man. In. Also at blue line. A cap. Okay, one more time. A sad man in a cap. You can do it this. You can do it this. Very good. You may color the picture too. Okay. That's all for today. Thank you, class. Assalamualaikum. Bye.